Assalamu alaikum. You know what's crazy? You're making plans for 2026, but did Allah promise you'll even see tomorrow? We act like we own time, but we don't even own our next breath. Stop planning like you have forever. Start living like today is all you got. 2026 can be your breakthrough year or your biggest regret. The choice? It's in your hands right now. Ya Allah, if you give us 2026, make us deserve it. Make us grateful, not greedy. Strong, not arrogant, successful, not selfish. Alhamdulillah, I am a Muslim and I bear witness. La ilaha illallah. There is no God but Allah. He is one. He has no partner, no son, no equal. He was not born. He has always existed and He will exist forever. He is eternal. He is the only one worthy of worship. Allah alone gives. Allah alone takes. There is no one besides Allah who can give you anything. La ilaha illallah. This is our foundation. This is our belief. We worship one and He is Allah. You think Allah doesn't see your struggle? He sees every tear you hide at night, every dua you whisper in secret. You think you're alone? You're never alone when Allah is with you. The same Allah who split the sea for Musa, who saved Ibrahim from the fire, He's your Allah too. So when the world turns its back on you, remember, Allah never does. Keep going. Your breakthrough is in the next sajda. Some people will never understand your pain, and that's okay. They weren't there when you cried at 3 a.m. Wallahi, stop expecting them to get it. Only Allah knows every tear you've hidden. Ya Allah, give us peace in being misunderstood.